Good evening. It will indeed be a Thanksgiving weekend to celebrate for tens of thousands of Canadians. They now have jobs. The national unemployment rate dropping last month to 7.1% from 7.3% in August. Over 30,000 of those new jobs were created here in BC. September's unemployment rate was 6.7%. The August rate was 7.5%. And perhaps one of the biggest drops in unemployment was right here on Vancouver Island. Nanaimo's jobless rate dropped to 9.8%. Now that still means almost 10% of the city's population is unemployed, but it's a big improvement from August rates of over 12%. Sky Ryan now with signs of hope in the Harbour City.
After months of pounding the pavement, Jasper McKinstry has found work.
You know, it's just how it is.
But it's not in the island city the 22-year-old was looking in.
I get interviews and, it seemed like they went well, but then like, oh, we need to also look through this stack of 100 other resumes before we call you back.
So he's leaving Nanaimo for Alberta after a quick reply to a help wanted ad online. His daily vigil at this youth employment office now over.
Would rather stay here, but you got to go where the work is.
But it appears the laborer may just have had to wait a little longer. Nanaimo's unemployment rate dropped 2.5% in September from August, bringing it now to 9.8%. A drastic drop month over month in a city with the highest unemployment rate in BC.
Retail is starting to pick up. I'm starting to see help wanted signs. Haven't seen those for a while.
Steve Arnett helps find work for the unemployed youth of this city and is starting to see the change on the streets.
I haven't seen sort of a help wanted signs walking along like I have the last couple of weeks. That tells me we're starting to gear up to the Christmas rush.
You must like those signs.
I like those signs, yes.
This as the unemployment rate across the island is actually up, 1.3% higher this September over last.
There's customers waiting.
At Chemainus' Utopia Bakery, staff are run off their feet trying to keep up with business.
I come for their gluten-free bread. It's incredible.
So they're looking to hire 2 new people, and the owner says many who are applying are overqualified.
And maybe it is just because people are so desperate for jobs that they are willing to try.
Despite the numbers pointing in Nanaimo's favor and the writing on their building wall, no one is breathing too big a sigh of relief back at the Youth Employment Office in Nanaimo.
Well, there may be another recession possibly, and nobody's sure when and how long that'll be.
But if the jobs return and stay, McKinstry says so will he, and he hopes it happens soon.